This place, it's Hwedza Hospital. As you can see, there's an ambulance up there. It's not that, a semi-urban area. You've got people from the rural areas and also from the just small town or beyond this hill, come and seek medical attention here. And then this is the new pharmacy, the drug storage facility, and then these are the units which will be cooling the drugs at the rooms. One is a 24,000 media inverter type air conditioner. It's going to be going into the drug storage room, and then the 18,000 BTU is going to be cooling the dispensary. Just some nurse there. So patients. Then this is like this is their backup power supply generator. You've got just a small view, like a quick view of the surrounding buildings of the hospital itself. So back again to the new pharmacy. This is the front one, the front side, the facade of the building, and those are the two units. So we at Cicero, we pride ourselves in doing air conditioning. It's what we do every day. It's what we sleep over. It's what we dream about. What are our hands, it's on our fingertips. It's something what we do every now and then, every day. It's our livelihood. It's, just what we are experts in. It's something that everybody who works at Cicero is so passionate about. And air conditioners are quite good piece of machinery. They're quite versatile. You can be used in not only in pharmaceutical storage facilities, but in server rooms for comfort air conditioning applications in offices, at your homes and churches. Just about anything, any place you want, like even in a tent, or maybe when you're just having a quick function where you have makeshift structures which will be pulled down quickly. You can still have like standalone units which can be put there just to cool the place, or to heat up the place. So this is inside the drug storage facility. Some cleaning still being done. This part of the shelving. The place is still under construction, just some touch-ups which need to be done on painting and awaiting handing over. So this is the indoor unit, 24,000 BTU. And then there's some cans of paint and some safety clothing. This is the service edge for the dispensary. This is where the drugs will be dispensed to the clients, to the patients. This is just a view of the outside from the dispensary. So this is again the indoor unit of the 18,000 BTU air conditioner. This type of air conditioners, the DC inverter types, it's quite versatile type of air conditioning equipment. It saves a lot of power, up to 60% power saving on your bill. And then they're super quiet, they are robust, they are long lasting. You don't have many breakdowns on these units. So they are very reliable. And they are coming to replace the old on-off type of air conditioners, which use a lot of power. Power is a concern globally, everywhere. Towns, cities, countries, regions, struggling to meet their power requirements on a daily basis. So you may need, even as an individual, when you are installing a unit, an air conditioner at your house, at your home, it's also wise to consider having this type of air conditioner. It runs on R410 gas, which is environmentally friendly because it's not CFCs or HCFCs. It's fluorocarbons, which do not harm the ozone layer. So it's an advancement, it's an improvement from the old units which use normally R22 or some mixtures like 407C, but this one uses 410, which is quite um, environmentally friendly. But we cannot say that it's the best. It's like a work in progress because, again, they've got like a high uh, global warming potential, these gases. So they do have some negative impacts on the environment, but it's a step in the right direction for the air conditioning industry because saving the environment is also one of our priorities. It's also something we need to look into and take seriously for the coming generations and for ourselves because like flooding, natural disasters are on the rise simply because of rise spiking temperatures caused by emissions, some which are related to our industry. So this is it at Hwedza Hospital. The work is almost complete. Awaiting handing over to the end users. This is a remote for the unit for the 24,000. This is a view of the outdoors.